Chairman ka 16 Finance Commission Arvin Panagaria hakasnibaar wala jngoh blitkai shakalau Kyntang jong kahima mauplang badin yukchat ru hapo kakasi Heritage Village jong kakasi Hills Autonomous District Council kajaka baju penong ya ka Monolith Festival. Yang nuklido ka Finance Commission lasan randa Chief Executive Member ka KHADC ba Pinyat Sings Im, Chairman ka KHADC ba Lampang Bla, ki Executive Member ka KHADC lembat kiwi-kiwi. Habekren bekinong to kuboru Arvin Panagaria ulayaro ay kajing itanat jang kamaplang bat kisaudang saukun jangka bat pintip baula kujingmut basisin kasngi unsawan yalam lang ya kikun shamaplang bat lejingo kairu ya kasora nolor kiwi-kiwi kita jang kajella. UCEM ke KHADC ulakan pau bakani kajingwan yuk kajat jang Chairman ka Finance Commission hamaplang kanong kajingker ku ka bakraw bha kamtam ka KHADC kalapanya ka mangtingkan ka commission ban kintiyo ya ka culture bat ya ka kam jang kai mariang ni ecotourism.
We have about 60 orchids, about 60 birds, and also.
Okay, at least just a blessing from the forest.
If you just see before we enter here, sir, let me tell you, we have to bow to the Almighty, and we also request the deities to bless us, because this is legacy.
This was a fantastic visit. I love Meghalaya, and hopefully one day I get to bring my children. And we also visited Cherrapunji or Sora, and that was a spectacular visit. So this was just lovely, my favorite state now. India will mean nothing. The central government does its own. You see, so what we do as the commission is something different. We divide the taxes between the center and states and among the states. That's what we do. But the grants come from the government, central government.
Sektor ni kamat kabakongsan bahangi pensngo ya ka 16 Finance Commission bakat ni kaspa mariang kabangi ladon ilayo hari hasi ngin penan kam ya kani kum kawai nakalat ban kentiu ya kayo kakot jengi ka council bat kabaar kum kawai nakalat ban kentiu ya kayo kam yo jami ki kena samla bam dan kam dan jam pet menta pilai I mentat ngiwan hapo mau plang da ki pongut ki tourist guide ki ladon ha kila tip kila nang kila start la tip lut ban batai ki aka one tourist ki yo da ka bainong nomor ba ki tourist ki ko tip ke ka ba ka long kaman hapo mo plang kila batai lut maki te pi takadaw na kalyang jungi ni ong banbu habidi ka jingmang kerpang ya ka arts and culture but ecotourism kumba arts pa kror hakini kisan snam kemud da kumnum nongin la ban penlut saupo kror hakisnam ban dan shushu kini ki jakal jongok kai jongki it ki hima jongka council ka bangila let's say ban kam penlut hakini ki jaka ban pen internet ban pen wandur ban biang ka jaka bam ka ban biang ka jaka jongok kai ki turis ki bawan na ni po jela Meghalaya lani na ri India lani wat na bari kumju tekan ni kan kentiu ya kayo kot jongka council bat kumju kan kentiu ya kayo kot jongki shnong ki it ki hima bat khamtam kan ple ka lat yo kam yo jam ki samla